Are you looking for the best astronomy binoculars? In this video we will look at some of the best astronomy binoculars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SkyGenius. With the SkyGenius 1050 binoculars, you will see the moon and stars 10 times bigger. Their multi-coated 50mm large objective lenses guarantee excellent light transmission. They also improve image brightness well enough for you to see the celestial bodies without distortion. The SkyGenius 1050 is easy to focus on thanks to their diopter system that adjusts the imbalanced vision of both eyes. Since they feature a 367-foot /1000 YDS large field of view, these binoculars are ideal for watching wildlife and scenery as well. Number 2. UncleHu. The UncleHu 2050 binoculars don't have the words "high power" by mere chance in their name. These binoculars perform well in low light conditions. Their 26mm eye lens collects more light than others, delivering a clearer and brighter view of celestial objects. They feature a multi-coated aspheric lens, reflecting light and reducing distortion for better image contrast and quality. The rubber finish makes the binoculars firm and comfortable to hold. As a heads up, while the company advertises them as waterproof, however you can't use them in heavy rain for a long time. Number 3. USCAMEL. The USCAMEL 1042 binoculars won't disappoint you, especially at this price. These stargazing binoculars under $50 are very solid, especially for the price. They come with a 42mm objective lens and 18mm ultra-wide-angle eyepiece, providing stargazers with clear, bright images and a wide field of vision. The glasses are premium back for prisms with FMC coating. The binoculars are also compact and lightweight, making them convenient to carry and use outdoors. Their construction is incredibly sturdy. So, I'd recommend these binoculars for anyone with children who may drop them, or stargazers who want to avoid carrying an expensive pair outdoors.